Welcome to our channel, where we explore the incredible world of natural remedies and their health benefits. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of the Noni fruit. From its rich history to its numerous health benefits, this tropical fruit is a true powerhouse of wellness. So, let's get started. The Noni tree, also known as Morinda citrifolia, has a long and storied history. Native to Southeast Asia, this evergreen tree has been used for centuries by indigenous cultures for its medicinal properties. In traditional medicine, Noni fruit was consumed in various forms, including extracts, juices, and poultices. It was revered for its ability to promote overall well-being and treat a wide range of ailments. Now, let's explore the fascinating health benefits of Noni fruit and the compounds responsible for its healing properties. Health benefit number 1, boosts immunity. Noni fruit contains a wealth of antioxidants, including vitamin C, which helps strengthen the immune system, protecting us from harmful free radicals and reducing the risk of infections. Vitamin C, found abundantly in Noni fruit, acts as a powerful antioxidant, neutralizing damaging free radicals and bolstering our body's natural defense system. Health benefit number 2, supports heart health. Noni fruit contains compounds like scopolamine, a natural vasodilator that helps relax and widen blood vessels, promoting healthy blood flow and reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Scopolamine, present in Noni fruit, acts as a vasodilator, improving circulation and reducing the strain on the heart. This promotes a healthy cardiovascular system. Health benefit number 3, anti-inflammatory properties. Noni fruit contains a compound called damnacanthal, which has been shown to possess potent anti-inflammatory properties, helping to alleviate pain and reduce inflammation. Damnacanthal, a compound found in Noni fruit, inhibits inflammatory enzymes and reduces the production of pro-inflammatory molecules, offering natural relief from pain and inflammation. Health benefit number 4, enhances energy and endurance. Noni fruit is rich in essential nutrients, including carbohydrates and potassium, which provide a natural energy boost and improve athletic performance. Noni fruit's carbohydrate content fuels our body with sustained energy, while potassium helps maintain electrolyte balance, supporting endurance and physical performance. Health benefit number 5, regulates blood sugar levels. Research suggests that Noni fruit can help regulate blood sugar levels, making it a valuable addition to a balanced diet for individuals managing diabetes. Noni fruit contains compounds that help improve insulin sensitivity and reduce blood sugar spikes, making it beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk. With its rich history and its incredible array of health benefits, Noni fruit is truly a gift from nature. So why not give it a try and experience the wonders of this tropical treasure for yourself? Health benefit number 6, supports digestive health. Noni fruit contains dietary fiber, which aids in digestion, prevents constipation, and promotes a healthy digestive system. The fiber in Noni fruit adds bulk to the stool, facilitating smooth bowel movements and supporting a healthy gut. It also helps maintain a favorable environment for beneficial gut bacteria. Health benefit number 7, enhances mental well-being. Noni fruit contains serotonin, a neurotransmitter that helps regulate mood, promoting feelings of happiness and well-being. Serotonin, present in Noni fruit, plays a vital role in maintaining a balanced mood. Including Noni in your diet can contribute to a positive outlook and overall mental wellness. Health benefit number 8, muscle recovery and repair. Noni fruit contains essential amino acids, such as proline and serine, which are crucial for muscle repair, growth, and recovery. The amino acids found in Noni fruit provide the building blocks for muscle repair and growth, aiding in post-workout recovery and supporting overall muscle health. Health benefit number 9, rich in antioxidants. Noni fruit is packed with antioxidants, including quercetin and camphorol, which help protect cells from oxidative damage and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Quercetin and camphorol, powerful antioxidants in Noni fruit, help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, protecting against cellular damage and promoting long-term health. Health benefit number 10. Skin health and beauty. Noni fruit is known for its skin nourishing properties, thanks to its high content of vitamins A and C, as well as antioxidants. Vitamins A and C, along with antioxidants in noni fruit, contribute to healthy skin by promoting collagen production, reducing signs of aging, and giving your skin a radiant glow. Health benefit number 11. Anti-cancer properties. Noni fruit contains compounds like lignans and anthraquinones, which have shown potential in inhibiting the growth of cancer cells and reducing the risk of certain types of cancer. The unique compounds found in noni fruit have demonstrated promising anti-cancer properties, making it a valuable addition to a cancer-preventive diet. Health benefit number 12. Supports weight management. Noni fruit is low in calories and high in fiber, making it a satisfying and nutritious choice for those aiming to maintain a healthy weight. Noni fruit's low calorie content, coupled with its high fiber content, can help promote feelings of fullness and prevent overeating, supporting weight management goals. Health benefit number 13. Antimicrobial effects. Noni fruit possesses antimicrobial properties, thanks to compounds like triterpenes and polysaccharides, which help fight against harmful bacteria and fungi. The triterpenes and polysaccharides present in noni fruit exhibit antimicrobial activity, offering natural defense against various bacteria and fungi that can cause infections. Health benefit number 14. Supports respiratory health. Noni fruit contains compounds that have been shown to have bronchodilatory effects, helping to relax and open up the airways, thus supporting respiratory health. The bronchodilatory compounds found in noni fruit help alleviate respiratory issues by relaxing the airway muscles, making it a potential natural remedy for respiratory conditions. Health benefit number 15. Promotes better sleep. Noni fruit contains compounds that possess sedative properties, which can help promote relaxation, improve sleep quality, and alleviate insomnia. Certain compounds in noni fruit have been found to have sedative effects, aiding in relaxation and supporting a restful night's sleep, thus contributing to overall well-being. Now that you know the remarkable benefits of noni fruit, it's time to incorporate it into your daily routine and reap the rewards of this extraordinary fruit. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through the health benefits of noni fruit. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your loved ones. Remember, nature has provided us with a bounty of treasures to enhance our well-being. Embrace the power of noni fruit and unlock its potential for a healthier and happier life. Stay tuned for more exciting videos, and until next time, take care and nourish your body with the goodness of nature. Thank you for watching.